Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add live chat support to your Shopify site. Adding live chat can significantly enhance the way you communicate with your customers, offering them prompt and real-time assistance right at their fingertips. This can not only boost your site's customer experience, but also potentially increase sales and customer satisfaction. For example, providing immediate answers to customer questions can prevent cart abandonment and help resolve any issues before they become problems. Let's walk through the process together. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu of options. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where you can find and manage applications that add extra functionality to your online store. It's a vital place for enhancing features, whether you're looking to improve your marketing, sales, or support. There are tons of apps here that can help automate tasks, improve customer service, or optimize your store's design. And live chat is one of the most effective tools you can use to improve customer interaction. Once you're in the app section, use the search bar to look for Live Chat. This will direct you to the Shopify App Store, which is filled with various third-party apps tailored specifically for Shopify users. These apps are key to expanding what your site can do beyond its default capabilities. The Shopify App Store has a variety of live chat options, each offering different features and integrations, so it's important to find one that best fits your needs. At this point, you'll be greeted with a list of apps that support live chat functionality. Each app offers different features and pricing plans, so it's important to consider what your specific needs are. Some apps may offer features like automated responses or integration with CRM tools, while others might focus more on simple, real-time messaging. Take your time exploring each available option. You can click on the apps to dive into detailed descriptions, user reviews, and pricing details. This will help you assess whether the app aligns with your business goals and budget. It's also a good idea to look at the number of active users and the average rating of the app, as this can give you a better understanding of its reliability and performance. Once you've decided which live chat app suits your store, the next step is to install it. Simply click Install on your chosen app. The installation process typically involves granting permissions that the app requires to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. You'll likely be asked to provide access to certain features like your store's customer data and notifications, so ensure that you review these permissions before proceeding. Most apps make this process straightforward, but if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the app's support team for help. After the installation, you'll need to set up the app. It's important to follow the instructions closely, as the setup process can vary depending on the app you've selected. Most apps guide you through the essential steps, including customization options like chat window styles and preset messages. For example, you might want to customize the greeting message that customers will see when they first open the chat window, or you can set up automated responses for frequently asked questions. Some apps also offer advanced features like triggered chat invitations based on customer behavior, such as when a customer has been browsing a product for a certain amount of time. You might also need to create an account with the app platform as part of the configuration, so make sure to complete that step as well. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a live chat function into your Shopify site. This feature will allow your customers to easily reach out with questions or concerns, and as a result, you're positioning your business as customer-centric and responsive. Having live chat not only improves communication, but also builds trust with your audience, which can lead to higher conversion rates and repeat customers. To wrap things up, make sure to test the chat function yourself to ensure everything is working smoothly. Test things like the response times, the appearance of the chat window, and whether the notifications are set up properly. Encourage your customers to reach out whenever they need assistance, and let them know you're always available to help. Remember, live chat is not just a support tool. It's an opportunity to engage with your audience, understand their needs, and build a loyal customer base. Engaging with customers in real time can also help you better understand their pain points and preferences, allowing you to make informed decisions for improving your products and services. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep providing excellent support and watch your online business thrive. Don't forget that live chat is a powerful tool for building stronger relationships with your customers. So start using it today and see the difference it can make.